Right. I'd like to thank you all. Thank you all and welcome. Welcome from wherever you are. It's the 28th of August. So it's Tuesday, 28th of August, 2018. And as usual, what better time to get started using your time online on the internet and earn a living for yourself. Simply working smarter and not harder. And that's basically what I'm here to do for you and assist you. So, my job will simply be to guide you. And this is my way of earning a living by simply introducing as many people as I can to the same concept of using the internet and getting a whole wide audience out there. It's a digital business opportunity, meaning anyone from any walks of life, anywhere in the world, can partner with you and be in business for themselves. So you're basically introducing others to be in business for themselves using the internet with our digital products that teaches them how to. Now, the same way you go about sharing like a Facebook link, your Instagram, when someone asks you for your Instagram or your Facebook, the same way you give them a link to contact you is the same way you will have a link for people to partner with you in business. Now, for anybody that joins you, you will earn a minimum fee of $25. Right, so $25, which is rounded about £20 here in the UK. So how much is $25 from wherever you are in the world? So you're here to earn a minimum fee of $25 per person you introduce to get started working smarter and not harder using the internet. So what I do audios and videos like this, such as this, and upload it onto YouTube. When you join me, when you partner with me, I will be able to show you these same skills, how you can go about positioning yourself. You can do videos to simply upload onto YouTube and simply share the YouTube link with others. You can message with your friends on Facebook. You can send it to Instagram. You can send it through WhatsApp. You will be able to do videos such as this, teaching and coaching others step by step for them to also partner and start benefiting from this business opportunity online that helps them earn for themselves. So you will be earning while you learn or learn while you're earning. So I will have different opportunities here for you that I would want you to take a look at, and I will have links below this video for you to get started. So without further ado, I'm just going to get started with the many opportunities I've partnered with that allows me to earn for myself as I get others to get started with me. So like I said, you will have a same link, a shareable link that you can share with others to register and join you in business. Once they join you, you can have someone from the other side of the world join you, register, sign up. And as they do, you simply get paid. You get a commission. So how many people per day, every day, would you want to sign up simply working smarter using the internet? This is what we're here to teach you. How would you go about wanting to get your own link that you can share with like 3, 4, 5 people a day, and earning a minimum fee of $25, which is £20 here in the UK. Earning a minimum fee of $25 per person. So if you're earning $25 for every person you introduce to our business opportunity, introduce 2 people today, and that's $50 in your pocket. For $25, introduce 4 people, that's $100. You know, $25 is £20 here in the UK. Introduce 5 people and that's £100 in your pocket today, you know. So these business opportunities are here for you to get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play one of these videos here, you know. So give me 2 seconds and I'll get back to you. Right. The first opportunity I want to get you started with is called $25 1UP. So that's $25. Remember, I told you with these opportunities, especially with the opportunities you will get started with me, it will be a simple starting fee of $25. So I'm going to introduce you to like maybe 2, 3 or 4 opportunities that will be of benefit to you. You know, you can join all 4 opportunities so that for each person you introduce in each opportunity, you can earn up to £100, $100 or £100 or more if you're here in the UK. So one opportunity, you could earn up to just $25 for signing up one person. You know, you sign that same person in another opportunity, that's another $25. And another $25 if you sign them up in 1, 2, 3 or 4. So I'm simply here for you to join maybe just one for now. You know, join just one for now. When it's a benefit of you, when you start making money with one opportunity, you can go about joining other opportunities. So start with one opportunity. So this opportunity I have here for you is called $25 1UP. Right, with $25, essentially you are being offered a complete marketing system that has the potential for passive commissions as well as residual compensation with certain aspects that you have the choice to take part in. Right, this member to member opportunity within the $25 1UP system, you will be presented with some tools and training after you upgrade. When you upgrade to the $25 level, you will have access to all the gold member option. So the 25 gold level includes access to qualified to receive $25 personal and pass up commission. So for everybody you introduce, you earn a personal commission of $25, and each person has to pass up one team member, which is another $25. Now there's an option to make more money with an opportunity in the back of this opportunity. So residual income option, it's an option with the company MyEcon. Personal development audios, 4 capture pages with lead capture forms, Facebook support group, pre-written ads, marketing system to track all of your visitors and leads. So to sum that up, basically, you're simply got your own back office, your own, office suite, basically, everything that tells you from A to B of how to set this opportunity up and make it your own and introduce others to simply duplicate and do the same. So we're here to position you right now in this opportunity for a simple minimum fee of $25. Now, once you sign up to the $25 opportunity, the gold membership, you can also start and join us on our platinum level at $100. Qualify to receive $100 and $25 personal and pass up commissions. All of the features of the gold level, the ability to email your personal leads through the system, 60 plus videos of training and personal development, postcard template mailers and access to mailing list providers, done for you postcard service. You can add a third party autoresponder like a Weber. You have access to your own personal branding page, have the ability to add up to 12 banner ads to market your other businesses. So this is basically a business in a box. Those more advanced or intermediate will have a more understanding, but not to worry, as this business is set up especially for anyone beginning in the online money making world to get started with. This is a simple program anybody can get started with. Right, I've gone past the 10-minute mark, so let's close this video as part 1. So check out business startup part 2. I'll call this part 1. So business startup part 1, and check out for business startup part 2. Thank you. So for the opportunity below,